Welcome, good morning, guys. My name is Shady BTC, and you're watching the Jumper. Please, if you are watching it for the first time, please just do well to subscribe and like the video for more videos like this. Okay. Today we're gonna be talking about an arbitrage opportunity or arbitrage trading site. Okay. I wanna just digress a little from the gen and let's talk about arbitrage today. Okay. So if you guys have noticed, our channel has been all about the gen trading, everything about the gen trading. But today I just want to talk a different thing altogether. What I want to discuss about is arbitrage. I want to show you guys there are some opportunities that you may not have known, or how you can make cool money trading arbitrage. Okay, so if you're interested, I will be I'll be talking about some hidden opportunities and some websites you have to go and to be able to. So you want to start this arbitrage trading. For those who don't know the meaning of arbitrage trading is just buying of let's use Bitcoin as an example. Buying of Bitcoin from one site to and selling in the other site. Okay, buying from one desk, sorry, and selling in the other desk. Okay, what I mean by that is let me say, and in Bybit now, they are selling Bitcoin of like 26,800, and in Binance, it's been sold at 26,900. Also, the $100 difference now could be something that a vendor might choose to capitalize on. You buy from Bybit, you sell in Binance, you buy again from Bybit, and this one you can do unlimited number of times in a day if you have the energy. Understand? Okay, so that you just dive down to it. Okay, now if you're interested in doing arbitrage, just go to a site called cfollow.com. That's exactly where I am right now, as you can see. So now, okay, so if you go to that site, you look when you open the site for the first time, it's like a search button, just like what you're seeing here now. You see different pairs. You have your Velo that's USD. These are people recently searched pairs, okay, that people have searched so far. So all you just have to do, you come here, you type the search, the this thing you want. It might be BNB versus USDT, as you can see the search option now. Okay, what it does is that it will tell you where to buy it from and where you should sell it from. Look at it now. Let me zoom this so I can see what I'm talking about. You see, yeah, it shows you the opportunity that you can buy it from a KuCoin. As you can see, you can buy from KuCoin. You can buy from KuCoin at 1 BNB for $306, 797 cents, and you can sell it at Bitom Pro at the same amount of Ether. You can sell it at Bitcoin Pro for BNB at 1.019142 BNB. Okay, I know this amount might look very very small, it might look very very insignificant actually, but what you have to know is this: if you are doing this arbitrage, I advise to do with a huge amount of money. If you are doing this thing now with something like you are doing something like $1,000. $1,000. See that this small fragment, whatever it's being called, will be huge amount of money. It will be huge amount of money. If you do something like 3 to 10 times remember, you can do this amount 10 times in a day if you are serious with it. If you do something like 10 times in a day, you make your money out of it. Understand? Now, okay. But one thing I usually tell people, one secret I usually share with people is this: if you want to trade arbitrage, if you don't have capital, don't trade expensive coins. When I mean expensive, I mean coins that has the value is high. Like this BNB now. Look at the fragment, the this thing here. Look at the little profit I make out of it, which is 0.19 cents. 0.19 cents. Okay, and this money now is to me it looks very small compared with the amount of money that is involved. Okay, so if you want to do it, the best area advice is go for low price coins. Go for low price coins now. Okay, you can just go for something like let's look at something like BNB. BNB says this is like USDT versus Tone. No, Turkish lira, not lira. This is I'm looking for 20 RN. They don't have the pair here. Okay, let's look for another one that is also USDT slash. How would they have USDT slash Tone? Oh, these guys are really fucking up. Let me look for another coin that has okay from their sample. Let's look for the coin that with low. Okay, but no. Terra slash USDC. Okay. This Terra slash USDT, did not put the place you can sell from. They did not. So you buy and sell the market where you buy, the market where you sell. So I think this one now, the information has not yet been uploaded. Let's look for Velo. It's still sent on Velo. Let's look for then it's still the same thing. Man. Okay, Litecoin. Litecoin. Okay, from what they say, Litecoin is while Litecoin is being sold here at it's still something. It's being sold here at 92.34 USD. Okay, and there's some USD in Bitstamp. You can buy Litecoin at you can sell the same amount of Litecoin in Bitstamp at 1.01 dollar. No, 1.05 7 Litecoin. Okay, let's look at the profit you're making out of this one now. Let's say this one now, the profit margin you're making out of it. Okay, let's look at the profit margin you're making out of it. This site has what they call the calculator, the revenue calculator. Let's use that revenue calculator and check. Okay, now the best revenue. These are the best revenue here, which is okay. The best you can get here is on Ubit and Bitstamp. The best you can get, you can sell both of them is you can sell it at 9.2. That is one Litecoin. You can sell it at 92.343 cents. Okay, so you're making a percentage interest revenue at of 5.7. Sorry, interest. I think this one is rational a little. It's rational to some extent. So you can. It's rational to some extent. At least the amount of money is not that huge, and the profit margin is a bit rational than going for something that you know that the amount is high and the profit margin is very low. Okay. Then apart from that, what you have to note is very simple. Okay. Very importantly, before you buy or before you decide to go and do this trade now, you have to analyze the trade first. Look at the transaction fee. The transaction fee of this particular token now. Remember this place, I said the less you make small money, like from the price difference, which is little amount of money, but if you are dealing with a huge amount of money, you make more money out of it. Okay. So just the essence is just to provide liquidity where the liquidity is not adequate. Like there may be enough liquidity in there must be enough liquidity for this Litecoin in what's the name of this place? What's the name of that place again? In Yobit. But there could be less liquidity for the same Litecoin in Bstamp. So all you just do is just to provide that liquidity. You are trying to bridge the liquidity gap, and that is why you are making your money out of it. So the amount is very, very small. Earlier than now, this aspect of business is very lucrative, but due to the fact that things they cast and so as it goes on, things keep on casting. Normal. So as things are casting, the business is also casting, I understand. But you can still be making your money if you really have a huge amount of money. Instead of you to gamble that money and be looking for S2 and S3, you can just invest it here and be increasing your revenue gradually. Before you know it, you are made. Before you know it, you are made, okay? So like I said earlier, what you have to consider is you consider the transaction fee. Because the transaction fee, let's say I don't have account in any of this. Let me go to any of this and go and check how much I'm going to be charged. Okay. I don't have account in any of this decentralized exchange, so I can't go there to check. But let me look for the one that you can do on Binance. Let's look for the one you can do on Binance that will give us a better review. Let's look at the one you can do on Binance. BNB USDT should be on Binance, right? It's not on Binance. BNB USDT is not on Binance. Okay. Let's look for something you can do on Binance. At least I have an account on Binance. I can go to my Binance and look for it. Okay. This one is also good though. Okay, this one is Litecoin. The same Litecoin USDC. Mana USDC. This one can be done on KuCoin. One mana is I think this one is even more profitable, as you can see. This one is very, very more profitable. This one now, one mana is equivalent to 0.4638 USDT. The same amount of USDT now can be used to bought mana at 1.0118 mana. Okay, now look at it now. This one, if I'm trading with $100 now, that $100 now, okay, let's say if I bought my manas here now, if I bought my manas here now at this thing, what is it being called? If I bought my manas, remember this thing can be done the other way around. If I bought my manas at this Folonis I said to go use $100 to buy the manas. So that $100 now should be giving me roughly around that 200 around 200 and something manas. Now I now come here and I said the same amount of 200 and something manas now. Remember the difference right here now is for $100 now, the difference is zero. The difference for this one now is 0. I'm coming, just give me a minute, searching. Okay, the difference for this one now is one mana gives us 0.4. Then for here now, the same 0.4 gives us 1.01. Okay, so you have your 0.01 as the percentage increase. Okay, so now what you're actually making is a profit of 1.18%. 1.18%. So if you use something like $100 now, you are making 100 and $1.18. So you are doing like $1,000. You should be making 11.8. Then if you increase on like $10,000, you're making another $100 and something dollars. Okay, and if you are buying, and remember this thing now there is no loss involved. You just basically profit, as long as it covers the transaction fee. the transaction fee. As long as it covers the transaction fee is not bigger than it. So how do you check the transaction fee? Let me just say how you can do it, because I'm trying to look for the one that I can do on Binance, but I'm not seeing anyone here. So let me just tell you how I can do it already. Just go to your Binance, go to your wallet. Sorry, go to Binance, go to trade, click on spot trade. You click on spot trade, look for pairs. You just click that particular pair. If it's USDT mana, just like this one now, USDT mana, you look at the pair and try to deposit. Then you select the network, look at the both network. Then from there you can check the network fee. And network fee not tell you whether the business, you calculate this one and how much you want to use to ape. Now you check the amount of money you're using and the profit you're making, and check the network fee and see if it is something that is viable. If something that is viable, you proceed with it. But if it is not viable, then I think you advise it to come and do for another pay that is less cheaper. Okay. Now, thanks so much for watching. Please I beg you, do where to subscribe. Do well to subscribe to this video, please. Do well to subscribe to this channel so that you can get to others. This is a little way you can really support me, to encourage me to doing what I'm doing. Remember, the same purpose of doing this video is to get to those who really need it. Understand? I believe that some people don't know about these things. Okay, please do well to subscribe. Don't please, I beg you, just do well to subscribe. Subscribe, like, and comment so that the video can be ranked higher to get to those who actually